Greetings. This is an update on improvised picking tools. What you see before you are spring steel bristles off of a street sweeper. And let's see, can I get this to focus up? Yeah. You see that little glint in the camera? That shows you the original color of the steel. And when I say this is springy, yeah. I pick these up all the time around my little city. You find them on sidewalks, you find them in the middle of a street. They are plentiful. These are very good at making tension wrenches or even picks. Hell, I might even fashion for myself a couple of small bypass knives with one or two of these eventually. Just to shove into a padlock and just bypass the whole damn thing. Now, in my last video, I spoke about something very unique. Bra wires. Now, gentlemen, and I do say gentlemen because it is mostly guys who are doing a lot of lock picking. But, guys, let's take a look at that beauty. This is also spring steel. If I can, there we go. Look how it bends and snaps up into place. Spring steel at its finest. For a woman. For a woman and her breast. Very delicate. This wire right here is holding up a majority of high-priced bras. There have been one or two videos involving using bra wires to turn them into picks and tension wrenches. The video I saw showed a man unlocking his door with a bra wire. I copied his example. It is, after all, the most sincere form of flattery. I also made a comment and thanked him as well. So, the guys on here who have wives, girlfriends, fiancés, baby mamas, whatever have you, start asking about their bra wires. If the bra is too uncomfortable for them, suggest they take it out. Make use of this wire. Because I'm going to tell you right now, if you were in a survival situation and you had no lockpicks, this might be your only source of freedom. These are words to live by. Your freedom is at your fingertips and under your woman's your boobs. Yep. Your potential freedom is under her boobs. And I've had these for about 6 months now. They aren't tarnished. And you can tell the wire is quite wide. And in closing, a tool that no self-respecting lockpicker be it improvised or professional, should be without. This is nothing more than a multi-tool. Knives, screwdrivers, and all that stuff on the side. Saws, that's it. And a Bobo Swiss Army knife. Now what I have here is the awl sticking out. Now I've had some success with using a thinner version of a pocket knife awl in opening small locks. Now do not quote me on this, but in fact try it for yourself. Now, I'm not ashamed to say this has gotten some field use out of it. It's a little messed up, but it's all intact. These are nothing more than tools. And I do say this in all seriousness. These are only tools. All that steel right there, they're tools. The real knowledge, the real skill comes from yourself. If you can improvise, great. And I'm pretty sure no one here needs to be shown a paperclip, large or small, bobby pins, or hair barrettes. I'm pretty sure ones who watch these videos or Google them or even just type in random, you'll know what they're used for if you're a lock sport enthusiast. Hope you enjoyed it.